Case 3, when center lies on x-axis. Now circle is drawn and center lies on the x-axis. Now when center of a circle lies on x-axis, then k is equal to 0. Then we are having k as a 0 and radius of circle r is equal to Cp. Now equation of circle becomes x minus h whole square plus, now we are having k as a 0, y minus 0 whole square is equal to r square. Now required equation, is x minus h whole square plus y square is equal to r square, or we can write it, or just expand it, x square plus y square minus 2hx plus h square is equal to r square.